Hello all, welcome to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials. Okay, so today I have some cotton dress materials. Okay, it's all the top, bottom, and dupatta are all cotton. Okay, it's a printed cotton dress materials with some fancy lace work given in the neck and the borders. Okay, so all of them are prices 650 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. Shipping charges 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. COD is also available. COD charges you have to calculate 100 rupees extra to the product cost and the shipping cost. Okay, it's the COD processing charges that has to be paid to the courier agency for processing the COD orders. So all of the dress materials that I am going to show today is 650 rupees, 650 rupees. So I will go with the salwar materials, dress materials now. Okay. So, just a minute. Okay. So this is the first one. The top, bottom and dupatta, everything is a cotton. Okay. The bottom is 2.5, the top is 2.5 and the dupatta is 2.3 meters. Okay. The bottom is also printed for all the dress materials. So this is the first one. You have the lace work, okay, given on the neck part and also the borders. Okay, you have different types of lace work. Okay, so you have the lace work in the bottom and also in the neck part, and this is the bottom. Okay, top and bottom is 2.5 meters and the dupatta is 2.3 meters. So this is how the dupatta will be looking. Okay, so this is the first set. This is the first set. All of the dress materials are prices 650 rupees. It's a blue with beige combination. This is the pant. The top and the bottom is 2.5 meters and the dupatta is 2.3 meters. Okay, this is the first one. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. For all the orders and enquiries, please take the screenshots and WhatsApp me or inbox me to my page. So the pattern will be the same for all the dress materials. Okay, you will be having the lace work coming in the neck and the borders, but the colors and the design will be varying. Okay, this is the next one. It's a coffee brown shade. So this is the bottom. You have the E-cut design on the bottom. Okay, all of them are printed. And the top, all of them are pure cotton. Okay, very soft and pure cotton. So you have the lace work coming like this, and this is the bottom, and the dupatta. Okay, it's a dupatta. The bottom and the dupatta will be having the same designs. Okay, so this is the next one. It's a coffee brown shade with this kind of a lace work. So all of the dress materials are price is 650. For all the orders and enquiries, please take up the screenshots. It's a coffee brown shade. All of them are pure cotton. The top and the bottom is 2.5 meters and the dupatta is 2.3 meters. The next one is a yellow with green. Very soft fabric, the quality will be very good. So this is the top, a mustard yellow. So you have the lace and the button works in the neck part. Okay, and you have the lace work in the borders. Okay, for all the dress materials you will be having a button and the lace work. Okay, along with the tassels. So this is mustard yellow with green combination, dark green combination, and the dupatta, the design in the bottom and the dupatta will be same. So this is the next one. It's a mustard yellow with green, a very lovely combination and design as well. So this is the next one. So for all the orders and enquiries, please take up the screenshots and WhatsApp me. Okay. So this is the next one. It's a yellow with green combination, mustard yellow with dark green combination. Price is 650. The shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available. COD processing charges 100 rupees extra you have to calculate per order. 100 rupees is per order, not per product. Okay, you can book any number of products for COD. 100 rupees extra you have to pay for COD. So this is the next one. It's a ivory white pant with a blood red color top. Okay, with a fancy tassels and neck lace part. Okay, it's a blood red color and with ivory white designed dupatta, printed one. Okay, that everything, the top, bottom and dupatta all are printed. Fancy designs. Okay, the quality is very good for all the dress materials. Okay, the quality will be very good. All of them are soft pure cottons. Okay, the dress material is a pure cotton. This is the next one. Okay, you have a very lovely lace design. It's a blood red with half white color. The top and the bottom is 2.5 meters. The dupatta is 2.3 meters. Okay, the next one is a green with yellow combination. So bottle green shade, you have the buttons and the lace work. So this is the lace work, the top neck lace work and the bottom lace work will be the same. This is the bottom. Okay, the dupatta color, the bottom and the dupatta color is a mustard yellow, a dark mustard yellow. A very nice design. Okay, so the dupatta will have the quality of the malmal. So this is the next one. It's a green, dark bottle green with dark mustard yellow. Okay, this is the next set. Price is 650 rupees. The fabric is pure cotton. Okay, dupatta is malmal cotton. The top and the bottom are pure cotton. Very soft fabric as well. Okay, very comfortable to wear for daily use and office wears. Also for college, schools. Okay, even though it is not open, the college students still prefer these kind of materials to wear for online classes. I am getting many requirements for these kind of dress materials now. So this is a grass green color, a dark grass green color with a baby pink combination. This is the pant. All the color combinations are very different and the designs are all unique and very nice too. Okay, so this is the next one. It's a dark grass green with baby pink shade. Okay, very lovely combinations coming in this particular catalog and the designs are also very good. Okay, this is the next one. It's a grass green with baby pink combination. The colors might be slightly varying in video and photos. Okay, we just use the tube light effects or sunlight effects. We don't use any special effects or for the video or the photos. Okay. All of them are prices 650 rupees. Next is a pink with blue combination. The quality will be very soft and good. Okay. So it's a pink color. The top is a pink. And it's a royal blue pant with printed designs. And the dupatta is also royal blue with printed designs. COD available across India. COD processing charges is 100 rupees extra. Okay, you have to calculate along with the product cost and the shipping cost. It's a pink with royal blue shade. Okay, it's a pink with royal blue shade. All the dress materials have a fancy tassels and buttons. In the neck pack along with the lace work. Okay, this is a pink with blue combination. So a usual combination, but with a different design, lovely designs. And the next one is a sandal with blue. So this is the top, this is the bottom, and the pant and the bottom is just lined ones, a simple one, but the color is very good. So this is the next one. Okay, dark beige color. Okay, it's a sandal color with blue combination. So this is the next one. The lace is all stitched here. Okay, so you have the lace and the tassels and the buttons. Okay, it's a stitched work. And also you have the bottom lace work. All of the dress materials or prices 650 rupees. 650. Shipping charges extra. So I'm moving to the next one. Please take the screenshots and WhatsApp me at 9150556870 or inbox me. Okay. If you want to see more collections, you can always refer the catalog. Okay, I have the WhatsApp catalog listed with all my available collections. It will be updated regularly. So you can see there for all the available collections. So this is the next one. A grey shaded one, a blue and grey combined. It's a dual shade. Okay, it's a grey with blue. Okay, and with red combination. And this is the dupatta, the same like the pant. Okay, this is the next one. It's a grey with red combination. The top has a dual shade of grey and blue. Okay, the top and the bottom meter is 2.5 and the dupatta is 2.3. The top and bottom is a pure cotton, and the dupatta you have the malmal quality in the cotton. Okay, it's not pure malmal, but it's a cotton with malmal quality. Okay. So this is the next and the last one in this particular collection. A red again, but a different shade of red. With fancy lace work coming in the neck and the bottom, and a dark grey combination with leaf designs printed. And this is the dupatta. All the top, bottom, the dupatta, everything will be very, very soft. Okay, and very comfortable also, skin friendly. Very soft fabric, pure cotton. So this is the next one. A different combination. A red with dark grey combination. Okay, price is 650 rupees. All the dress materials are price is 650 rupees. Shipping charges extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available across India with COD processing charges 100 rupees extra per order. Okay, so this is how you have to order. You have to take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870 for all the enquiries. You can refer all my collections in my WhatsApp catalog link. Okay, so you can check in my profile directly also, WhatsApp profile. Okay, that's all guys. Today this is the collection. So stay tuned. Please like my page for all the live updates. Okay, so you can even run the photos in the live. You can see the complete design. Okay, so that's the main reason we are bringing it in the live shows. Okay, so in photos you can see only the half of the design. So in live you can see all the complete designs of the dress materials, and also you can feel the fabric, try to feel the fabric also. That's the reason behind the live updates. Okay, so stay connected. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.